What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Y'all already know, man. Hey, we finna get right to it, baby. Normally, I would pop me a Coke Zero, but hey, man, I ain't got nothing but them red cans. I don't even want them, man. I want that black can, baby. I gotta go find me a black can somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get the rest of that red can don't do me right. But anyway, man, boy, we got to go over this market. Boy, this thing about to hit 2 trees. I love it. I like the market cap. I like looking at that market cap. That let me know where the money coming. You know what I'm saying? Boy, we got 8,000 coins now. Man, I go so far back. I remember this thing being in single digits, bro. That's how far back in crypto I go. We didn't even have CoinGecko. We had just like Coin Market Cap. We didn't have no nomics and all that. This thing was like 800 coins, 700 coins. Boy, we got 8,000 coins, bro. 400 exchanges. Man, oh my goodness. Boy, I feel old now. But anyway, man, market cap about that 2 trillion, man. We about to get to it. But hey, this thing going up. Everybody, man, and let me say this right quick. You know, everybody talking about this new regulation and all that stuff. Look, man, politics do not belong in crypto. What we need to do, we are a crypto community, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got Republicans, you got Democrats, and you got Kryptonians. You know what I'm saying? It's a 3-party system. You understand what I'm saying? We need to make them, whoever, whether it be Democrats or Republicans, we need to make them consider our vote as a positive. You see what I'm saying? Make them fight for our vote. You know what I'm saying? All the others, people be infighting in crypto about Biden this and Trump that and carrying on. That shit's stupid, bro. We came to crypto to get away from that. You sound stupid like a 3rd grader. That's why I don't allow it on my YouTube, my Telegram. Go make you another page for all that. You can hate whoever you want, bro. This is crypto. This is freedom, independence. You understand what I'm saying? We're supposed to be one community fighting to keep this thing forward. Why you come in crypto and talking about this and that, this politics, this president, that? Man, what are you talking about? We supposed to be calling up whoever your local congressman, senator, whatever, representative, don't matter what they are, Republican or Democrat, letting them know, if you want my vote, we need some pro-crypto regulation, bro. Because there's going to be a lot of regulation coming down the pipeline. This is just the beginning. But we need to stick together as a community. Not black, not white, not gay, not tall, short, Republican, Democrat, as crypto. When they phone be ringing and them emails coming in and we pro-crypto, they will see the power that we talking about. You understand what I'm saying? That be getting on my nerve, man. People trying to ease their little political views. This ain't, man, you sound stupid, bro. Anyway, let's keep it moving, baby. What we got going on? That cone, boy, that cone, 46,000. Hey, man, that thing about to hit. What is it? Hold on, man. I got somebody calling me, man. Hold on. Yeah, boy, money don't stop, baby. But look here. Let's see what we got going on, man. God, look at that. Binance, boy. Ooh, that thing almost 400. Boy, look at Cardano. Look at my baby. Look at Cardano. Look at Cardano. The thing, boy. Hey, man. Well, look at this garbage right here. Well, let me stop because I know the XRP army is large and in charge. They swear it's going to $5. Now I ain't got nothing to get XRP. They fighting the government too, but I don't have any. But shout out to them. I got some old Dogecoin. You know what I'm talking about. Got a little polka dot. I sold most of my polka dot. I got a little something. Uniswap. I think I sold all that. I need to buy that back though. I got a feeling Uniswap. I think Uniswap gonna hit $100, man. I really believe Uniswap gonna hit $100. So I might gotta buy some of that back. You know what I'm talking about? Get some of that. Them a little sneaker right here. My little chain link. Well, I got chain link about 5 different ways. I just like everybody got that one coin. They just like for some reason. Remember, I've been having chain link. Remember we had that one chain link dap? Man, I just love chain link. But anyway, Solana. I should have more Solana, but I don't. I got a little bit. Bitcoin Cash, I was in love with that one before. I sold all that. I ain't got none of that. Litecoin always gonna do what it gonna do. You know, so Litecoin going to 300, but you know, ain't enough for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what this is. Let's see. Oh, Polygon, what? Polygon got down about 70 cents. Boy, look at that thing. Let me go check my Polygon wallet, man. Let me go on. Boy, let me go get my Polygon and see what's happening. Ethereum Classic. Stellar Theta. Look at the old Theta trying to do a little something. Still got some Theta left. I wanted to sell all my Theta. I just couldn't sell it all, man. So I got some Theta in T-Fuel. I just can't sell it all. For some reason, I just feel like Theta gonna explode for some reason. It may not, but I got it. VeChain. Is that VeChain I got? No, that ain't VeChain. I got Zilliqa. No, I don't have no VeChain. So, and I like VeChain. I think VeChain really got real world solution stuff, man. I mean, I'm not saying I don't have. I got like a couple thousand. I ain't really got a whole lot of VeChain. Just some scraps. Terra. Yeah, I got a little Terra. Y'all know I got a little Terra. They be scaring me sometimes. I have to sell it, buy it back. You know how we do. Nobody want to tell you that. Everybody want to tell you, I've been holding Cardano since 3 cents. Why you sold that shit and had to buy it back at $2? Stop lying so much, man. Stop lying in crypto, bro. Stop with all this lying, bro. Just keep it real. People, let me see. Filecoin. I don't know nothing about all that. OKB. Now this is. I need to take a screenshot of it. So this is what I do. In my wallet, right? I got OKB and what is it? Chainlink. I don't feel like scrolling back up, but I got OKB and Chainlink. I got the same dollar amount. So I think I don't want to say what it is, but people be tripping. I got the same dollar amount. I like to see them fight it out. I do that with coins that's around the same price. So OKB and Chainlink was about the same price. I did it. It was about like $23 a piece, and they both going up. But that's how I know Chainlink done took off on the bucket. That woo-wee. Now OKB still doing good now, but it done flattened out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But this thing done shot up, man. This thing doing good too. But anyway, that's why I like doing a little bit. Old Tron. Let me check my Tron wallet. I ain't checked my Tron wallet in a while. What else we got going on? What else interests me? Okay. But Cake almost $20, boy. Almost $20. Shibu Inu. It ain't really none. Axie Infinity. Now, this right here, I tried to buy some of this a long time ago, but I don't know where to get it from. I'm like, why I'm supposed to buy that? Man, I don't like stuff that's hard to get, because if it's hard to get, it's going to be harder to get rid of. But you ever bought some of the stuff before and then tried to sell it and, it just switched the mainnet. These ain't no good. Oh, man. No, sir. But look at my L run. Oh, man, my L run. I got some of this on. See, I hate dealing with Binance, too. Because Binance, boy, you get your coins over there and can't get them off. And, man, that wing is what they be saying? Something, dang, you don't have to be grayed out and it say something. I forgot what it say, like suspended or something, can't withdraw. Man, man, and y'all want to talk about Republicans and Democrats. Man, we supposed to be crypto. What the hell is this? What is this? $3,000? Lido Stake. What? I gotta look into that. Lido Stake Ether. Oh, chart down. Let me see. Let me find out. I gotta go off air and let me put that up on the screen so I won't forget. I come back. I gotta do some checking out. I ain't there. Look, I don't know nothing about it, but I'm gonna check it out. See what's going on. And it was $400 in December. This thing it got up to 4,000 in May, so it's on a deal. What is that? Well, that ain't bad. I gotta check that out anyway. But anyway, man, don't forget tomorrow we got the drip airdrop for the small team. Link is in the description. You gotta have 25 drip to get the airdrop. People still asking how I get the airdrop. You gotta have 25 drip on the small team, 50 drip on the big team. I ain't explaining that. You should know that by now. Either you in the platform or you contributing, or you just a leech and you sucking off of it. I don't deal with leeches. I don't deal. How people keep joining this team? I was at 420, now I got 6 more folk. Oh, man. I hope these are new people. But I got people in my inbox. It literally asked me, what you gonna give me if I join your team? I ain't giving you shit. Like, that's what I tell them. I can pull it up. I ain't giving you, like, what? People literally, man, everybody got their hand out. They want you to get, bro, this is what you get. 1% of what your hard work, your money. You get paid on your money. Don't join my team. Think you finna get something free? Hell no. You know what I'm saying? I reward my people, the folk that give to the platform. Don't think you finna come over here and put out your 1 or 2 drip and then go just Forex shard. Man, I ain't getting no airdrop. And you ain't. Not from me. I don't even know how you even finding this address. I ain't posted this address in a minute. Y'all going to just go find it. Just go join my team. I'm gonna get me some airdrop. I hear he giving away money. I'm gonna force him to get. I ain't giving you shit. Straight up. And y'all know I'm talking to. Don't make me go to my DM and pull up these messages. You got the nerve to ask me when I'm gonna give you for joining my team. Ain't giving you a damn thing. Giving you the middle finger. Anyway, man. Airdrop for the small team coming up tomorrow. Airdrop for the big team coming up on what tomorrow is? Tomorrow Thursday. So that'll be Friday. You gotta have 50 for this big team. You gotta have 25 for the small team. I done said it 1,000,000 times. So anyway, what this fool talking about? Yeah, fool. Yeah, you want me to promote something? Hey, you damn right. Much. I know that's a lot. Ain't shit coming out of my mouth for no couple of. Look here, man. I'm gonna do another video on that. Y'all that be promoting this stuff and all that, man, know your worth, bro. These folk be coming in my inbox with all this mess, bro. That's why I don't promote stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look, I know my worth. Go on to them. Go on to them, man. I ain't with that. Know your worth in life, period. If you got a product you selling, somebody don't want to pay for it, then tell them go on somewhere else. You got something that's worth something, know your worth, bro. But anyway, I could talk for days. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.